Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Radio. We are on the home stretch with the wheels, and I wanted to share something really special. What you find with this kind of stuff is all the custom stuff can change as you go. Now, I'll show you what happened. I made a mistake and I moved my bed out too far, and because I'm cutting with the head off to one side and over to one side, it's cutting more of a curve, and because I've got a bit of a degree on the table. So what I've done was I stuffed up and I gouged in here, right? So what I was doing was I was taking this down and then I gouged in just up past where I wanted to be, and I was real close to having it nice. And then I kind of just had a little section. I was like, I could use some filler. And I was like, nah, fuck it. I'll change it. So what I did was I did it like this. Now, I don't mind the extra little step because it separates this curve from this and then separates that three-piece. And that's still curved, but it's on a different curve, and I've stopped it right at the edge. So what I'll do now, the bed stays there and it goes down so I can get the wheel off, but I have to push it across. So this DRO is that one. So we'll set it 0. I'll drop the whole lot down. I'll move it across, take the wheel off, put the next wheel on, bring it back, get that back to 0, and then I'll lift that up. But what I will do is because I only have one DRO, I need to find something that I can sit. So what I did when I did the wheels, this actually slipped in under here when it was straight up. That's how I got my bed height close to where it was. And what I did with these, I measured from here to here, and on the rear wheels it's 24.5, between 24 and 24.5, this length, and on the front wheels it's about 25 because the face is a different dish. So what I might do with this one, instead of measuring the bed up, what I'll do is I'll measure from there, the hub there, to here to get the same. And then when it goes on, I will make a new cap for the front that will actually finish level, and it will knock in a new bearing cap. And what that will do is that will be level, and then I'll scribe something across it, and on the rear I'll do something similar. So then it will look like it's got center caps, but they'll actually be a part of the hub. There's so many levels to this build, it's not funny. I'll go around with the pardon me. I'll go around with my deburring tool. That's what I've been doing on this one, and just hit all the edges like this. It's literally just knocking the sharp edge off. Done the same here. I'll do the same on the whole wheel, all over. You know, I'll start here and I'll deburr that edge. Scratched it. And then what I'll do is I'll go over with the sander and I will sand with my orbital, probably just this. Now when I was cutting these, I did cut up to here and leave a lip, and I was like, nah, I don't need to leave a lip. I should have left the lip. The lip would have been a good addition, but that's fine. This next step, so this step I put up, then this step I hadn't put up because I thought I always choose one and start on one, and then I'll match all the rest to the first one that I started on. So that's what we're doing. Just finishing these, and I'm doing a bunch of other stuff as well, gearboxes and setting up parts for the 2002. Ordered more parts for that today. The whole rear end will be out of that tonight, and then everything starts to get cleaned, scrubbed, cleaned, resealed. I'll get some CV boots. I'll go through the CVs. The springs will get cleaned and painted. The trailing arms all come out. They go around the corner along with the subframe, and they'll get blasted along with another subframe I got down there, and then they will get painted and all put back in the car. End of the week, the whole arse end will be back together, all done sweet as, and then I've got to pull the front apart. And it's going to need an exhaust because the exhaust has some damage underneath. So I'll need to replace that muffler there. Where are we? That one there. And the back one, yeah, that might be okay. But yeah, it's Bower Week. And we have some more jobs coming in, so I have to get some shit done and get the other one off to dyno tuning. Thanks, guys. Well, I better put all this shit away. You have a good day.